Have you ever imagined what it would be like to have $1 million? 10 million? Whatever your number is. I mean, fully played out the scenario in your mind in all color and vivid detail. What would you do with it? Would you spend it on a house? Would you help out your family and loved ones, or invest it in a business? Would you go traveling in style, or spend it on a flashy car? What would you really do with it, and what would you be left with once it's all said and done? So often we limit ourselves with the concept of money. If only I had $1 million, then I could do this or have that or live a certain way. Does money bring happiness? Sort of. It enables us to open our minds to the possibilities of life, and it validates our current beliefs about happiness. But is it the flashy car that makes you happy, or is it the experience of driving along the coast and laughing with your friends? Is it the first-class flight and the 5-star hotel, or is it the sand on your feet and the salt in your hair? Is it the act of handing your mother a key to a new house, or is it her reaction and tears of joy when you remind her that you love her? It's not money and the material objects we buy with it that make us truly happy. There are many miserable millionaires, and there are many more enlightened monks with no possessions at all. Happiness comes from within, and it stems from experiences. Happiness is a conscious choice to enjoy life's gifts. You do not need to own a yacht or a jet plane to have the experiences they enable you to feel. So forget about the money. Focus on doing what you love, what makes you happy, what makes your loved ones happy. When you can open up your mind to the possibilities of life and stop limiting yourself with the concept of money, you will find freedom. And when you find freedom and rise above the limitations of money, it will come to you anyways, as the universe will help you on your path.